Good afternoon. My name is Janoy Daly, and I will be holding a supervisor training today. EAP, Employee Awareness Program. It is designed to make employees aware of drugs and their effect on the job site. Here are three of many of the problems that may occur. 1. May feel like tasks are too easy and take on heavy loads. 2. Throws off your senses and makes it difficult to operate machinery. 3. May cause major error at work that may harm a customer. Here's a picture on the right. It lists some of the ways to prevent these accidents. On the list, it has beware your surroundings, take regular breaks, report unsafe conditions to supervisors. My next slide is signs of substance abuse. Um, Here are a couple signs. One sign is absenteeism and tardiness. This includes repeated absences, leaving work early, or unauthorized leave. Accidents. Accidents off job. Accidents off job but affecting job performance and taking unreasonable risks. Work patterns. Difficulty concentrating, lowered job efficiency, and difficulty with complex tasks or waste of materials. And the last one, employee relationships on jobs, avoidance of associates, mood swings, or even unreasonable resentments towards other workers. I have another picture on the left of some symptoms. Alcohol abuse. Physical indicator of alcohol abuse. One is workers using alcohol tend to get sick more often and have marital and financial problems. Behavioral indicator. Unable to cope with work problems, alcohol dependent workers tend to hide problems, causing bigger problems in the future. Speech indicator. Slurred speech and exaggerated behaviors like yelling or screaming. Performance indicators. Staggering walk, lack of coordination, and reaction time. Another picture of some facts about alcohol on the left. Marijuana abuse. Physical indicator. It gives off a heavy, sweet, burnt rope smell. Anybody that has smelt it will know what I'm talking about. Behavioral indicator. User may experience excitement or euphoria, followed by letdown. Speech indicators. Slowed speech and coughing. Performance indicators. Disorientation in time estimation, delayed decision making, and erratic cognitive function. Cocaine abuse. Physical indicators and indicators may lead to stroke and heart attacks, dilated pupils, and runny noses. Behavior indicators. Feeling false confidence and power while at work. Maybe you think you can lift more than you actually can, and you might end up hurting your back or hurting one of your fellow workers. Another indicator of behavior is the person might experience being paranoid or being extra hyper, and maybe even experience mood swings. Speech and indicators. Very talkative and has a dry mouth. Performance and indicators. Loss of interest in food or sex. On the right, I have a picture. It says cocaine abuse isn't just addiction that supplies pleasure, it is a risk that causes infliction on the body. Amphetamines abuse. Physical indicators. People that take amphetamines, eyes are usually dilated, the pupils, they profusely sweat. Behavioral indicators, this person on amphetamines might be confused, panicked, or restless. Speech and indicators, this person might talk a lot more. And performance and indicators, the person on amphetamines is hyper, careless, and often attempts jobs beyond their ability. Hallucinogenics abuse. Physical indicators: dilated pupils, jerky eye movements, and dizziness. Some behavioral indicators: the person is vastly distort what they see or heard. Some people have even said to have bizarre behavior where they feel like they are flying or they try to fly. Speech indicators: dramatic changing in personality. The way somebody talks may completely change. Performance indicator: uh, severe confusion, extreme mood shifts, and impaired coordination. This can all be sold when somebody's working on the job, so it inhibit their performance. Next slide is heroin abuse. Physical indicators could be death, clammy skin, white, just looks bad, convulsions. Behavioral indicators: loses interest in work, safety of fellow workers, becomes dangerous to himself and others. Speech indicator: slurred speech. Performance indicator: reduced productivity and emotional problems, great difficulty working fast or accurate. And my last slide is just references. Thank you.